Sabi, paminaw, Ate Lindel. Pag maingon si Ate Lindel, og thank you, moingon ka, my pleasure, ha? Sige, my pleasure.
My teacher.
Okay, thank you, Sabi. My pleasure.
Ito, Ate Windel.
Sige, my pleasure, Sabi. Ate Lindel na po mag-thank you, ha? Thank you, Sabi. Na, my pleasure.
My teacher.
Okay, appear. Appear, dayo na. Appear. Very good, Sabi. Ano man na?
Apple.
Ana na ang appear ni mo. Tap, man na.
Katong my pleasure ikon nga di.
Na, my pleasure.
Katantap.
Ay. Okay, we're actually thanking Sabi for coming here in the room because she invited us for breakfast. She's such a sweet girl. Kiss Ate Lindel, be. Kiss. Dali, kiss na yun. Yan na.
Thank you, Sabi. What will you say?
Hi, teacher.
Okay, you're welcome.